How you going? Wayne from Outback Touring Australia here. Today we're going to make a nice, easy fire cooked damper. We need 3 simple ingredients: self-raising flour, some margarine or spread, and some milk. First thing you need to do is get 3 cups of self-raising flour. You want to pour it in?
Yeah.
Yeah. You pour that in. Good girl. Three scoops of margarine.
That's not margarine, that's the butter. It's just butter.
And then you just blend it in to the flour.
What are you gonna make?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Good girl. Does that feel funny, does it?
Yeah.
Squish all that butter in with the flour. Let Daddy have a go. Does it taste nice? Mm-hmm. Good work, baby. Now we put the milk in.
Now we put the milk in.
Alright. So we'll start with a cup of milk. Alright.
That milk?
This milk? Yep, we'll put it into there. You want to hold that?
Okay.
Now we want to put the milk in slowly. We don't want to put it all in at once. We put it in very slowly. So we make a well in the center, and then we just gradually add the milk
I can do it.
to get a dough.
I can do it.
Hang on, this is very messy, so Daddy might do this bit. Is that fun, is it? Alright, will you put more in now? Just put a little bit in. Just a little bit. Bit more, bit more. Excellent, beautiful. It's always fun cooking with your kids.
Hey, just let me put more.
Ladies, right. Ready to put some more milk in?
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Now let's smush that in. Alright. Now we're almost at the kneading stage. That's the important bit for if you want a good damper, because you need to knead a fair bit of air into it. That way it'll become nice and
Soft.
airy. Yeah, it's soft.
Airy.
Yeah, won't be like a brick. Put that milk in there. Good girl. Put it all in. Alright, let's pull it out. Watch your fingers.
Pull it out?
Yeah, we gotta knead it now. This is what we got this for. All this here. Hang on. So, we gotta
I can do it. I can do
you?
it.
Okay. Whoop. Bit of flare on that wouldn't go astray, I suppose. Hang on. Cook your air. Make sure you always flour your surface that you're going to need your dough on.
I can do it. I can do it. By
I can do
myself.
it. I can do it.
I can do it. I can do it. I'm a big girl.
Yeah. So you really want to knead that dough up to get it nice and aerated. Alright, so once we've kneaded it, we shape it into the damper shape that you want, something like that. And we then put some flour in our camp oven so it doesn't stick. Good to have a nice base of flour on the bottom. Place it in there. I've had the fire going for quite a few hours now and have a good coal base, so we'll move around there and we'll set up the coals. Alright, now we've got that in there. We'll get some coals, put on the ground, put this on top, and then put some coals on top of that. Leave that for about 15-20 minutes and we'll be good. Rightio guys, so it's been about 20 minutes since we put the damper on the coals, so we'll check it and see how she's going. Ooh, how's that look, baby? Yeah, you reckon that's done? Alright. Always make sure your coals go back into the fire. Yeah, we're going to put it up here, darling. Hot. Ready? Wow. What do you reckon about that? Tilda? Yummy? Ready? Alright. Here's the test time. You can be the guinea pig. Alright guys, there you have it. Simple, easy damper to make on your fire while you're camping. 3 simple ingredients, 3 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, and 3 spoons of butter or margarine. Makes a beautiful damper. Cheers guys, see you later.